Good morning, children. This is Shival sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter Unit 2, and here in this video, we will discuss about page number 23, some questions of some rules of divisions out here. So, children, the first question of page number 23 was about divide mentally 7, 4, 2, 9 divided by 5, and we have to write the remainder. What the remainder comes, that we need to write over here. Children, we know that the rule which I have already explained in the previous video, that was about dividend is equal to divisor or divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor plus quotient plus remainder. This is the rule of any divisions in the world. Whatever the divisions you find, that always comes along. Always support this formula. So here, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here, children, the question is 7, 4, 2, 9. This is dividend. So this is dividend. 5 is divisor and remainder is unknown. Quotient and remainder is unknown. So what we will do, children, we will just divide this number. So let me show you how to divide. Let me erase the screen a bit. So the number is 7, 4, 2, 9 divided by 5. So I'm gonna take 5 15s are 75. So 75 will be bigger than 74. So I'll take 14. 5 14s are 70. Let us subtract. It will be 4. So this naturally 4 is lesser than 5 divisor. So what I have to do, I have to just bring down this 2 over here. 5 8s are 40. So I'll get 2 over here. So 2 is of course lesser than the divisor 5. So I'll bring down 9 over here. So 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30. 30 is coming bigger than 29. So what I'll be taking over here, I'll be taking 5. 5 5 is a 25. So children, here 29 minus 25 is 4. So I'm getting finally 4 over here, and as I have got no numbers next over here to bring down along with 4. So here, children, divisor is like 5, dividend is 7429, quotient is 1485, and remainder is 4. My final answer, remainder is equal to 4. Children, this is how we have to get the answer of such things. I've already explained, children, the divisions rules of 25, which I've already explained in the previous video. That was about simply, like, we will just divide the number. The number is 1400. Divide it by 25. So what we will do, children, we'll just write 1400 as it is, and in the place of divide sign we will write 100 by 4. Children, as we all know that if we divide 100 by 4, we are supposed to get 25. So 25 will be replaced with the number 100 by 4. Now I'll just write 1400. In the place of division, I'll just write into, and I'll reciprocate the 100 by 4. It's a rule of division, children. I repeat, it's a rule of division. Whenever we can see a divide sign, we can replace divide sign with multiplication sign, and after doing multiplication, the number which is right after the divide sign will reciprocate. It will become 4 by 100. Okay, children. So now 1400 to be multiplied by 4, because we know that numerator and numerator gets multiplied and denominator gets multiplied. So 4 is going to be multiplied with 1400, resulting 5600 divided by 100. 0 and 0 can be cancelled directly. Answer is, children, answer is 56. Answer is 56. So children, this is how we have to break these numbers or divide this number. Let me explain one more sum from here. Let me explain one more sum from here, which is really very interesting. Question number 3. 75 to be divided by 3. I'm just going to divide 75 with 3. What I'll do, children, I'll just expand this number. I'll just expand this number like so that it comes in this way. I'll just expand it into 60 plus 15. 60 plus 15. Why did I take 60 and why did I take 15? Because 60 and 15 both are multiples of 3. So here now, children, I'll just divide 60 with 3 and I will just divide 15 with 3. 60 with 3 comes 20 and 15 divided by 3 comes 5. Just add them, 20 and 5. Answer is 25. Matlab, if I divide 75 with 3, answer will be 25. Children, very simple. The number which will be given to us divided by 3 should be splitted up into two numbers so that it can be divided by 3. So I have chosen 60 and 15. If I divide 60 with 3 now, I'll get 20. If I divide 15 with 3, I'll get 5. Now add the resultants. 20 and 5 will be added. I'll get 25. That is what my answer is all about. I believe it's clear to everyone. Children, this is how we have to deal with these kind of questions. Please try out the remaining questions your own. If you face any difficulties or problems anywhere, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, bye-bye, take care. Thank you so much, everyone.